Real life problem can be from small 30 operation to 350 and 50 stations. It's very hard problem. Our optimization approach, first approach was to modelize this problem with mixed integer program. But for 40 tasks, we needed 10 hours of calculation time. So 10 years of research allow us to obtain a very efficient algorithms by decomposing this problem in 2 steps. First, analysis of constraint to reduce the number of binary decision variables, as in this publication, for example, and intelligent modeling of mixed integer program, as here, and combine analysis of constraint, pre-processing by this analysis of constraint and intelligent modeling of this problem. We reduce this, we divide this calculation time by 100. So now we can calculate in less than 1 hour, 10 minutes, an optimized solution for the number of tasks up to 100. Another approach is graph approach. We can generate all possible solutions. This is state of the project. The arc is the multi-spin head. We add new multi-spin head. We have a new state of the project. And so this graph represents the path in this graph.